Hey guys, welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. My name is Ripley Sartain, and today we have been sent an LED grow light from HIGROW for all of my succulents and cacti. So thank you guys out at HIGROW so much for sending me this light. I will definitely put it to great use. Of course, we can't forget, I will leave my affiliate link in the description below if you want to pick up one of these for yourself. No matter what you're growing, I think it'll get the job done. So first off, let's check and see what comes in the package. You have the grow light itself, a welcome guide and manual on the light itself. Of course, I got little cannabis plants on here. I won't be growing any of those, but I'm sure some of you might be. We then have the cable for holding up your grow light. And this one's awesome because it comes with an adjusting rope as well that makes it super easy for adjusting the heights up and down depending on the requirements of your plants. That's one of the biggest things that is just a pain in the butt when you're setting these up, is being able to adjust the height. So I'm very glad that they included this in the package. I am so excited for this light. This is the biggest and baddest light that we have ever tested, the biggest and baddest light I've ever had or used. So I'm excited to see the results on the plants and how it does as far as giving them every little bit of light that they need. This thing will definitely do the job. HIGROW LED. So we can see all the diodes in there, a couple different colors as well. You have full ventilation all the way around in order to get plenty of airflow, as well as a vent in the back of it, right on top of the unit. So this thing's a decent size. It's a couple inches thick. Nice heavy duty. I mean, this is a big boy. This is going to have a lot of output to it. So I expected it to be just like this, and it feels really nice. I don't see any manufacturer defects whatsoever on this, so we are good to go. I'm going to plug it in for you all and show you what it looks like. So to take the power adapter, plug it right in the back, go to my handy dandy receptacle behind me, and boom. It's bright. That's definitely brighter than I think any other light that I've tested. Very, very bright. I think I could tan in this thing. This thing is ridiculous. This just doesn't even give it justice. How bright it looks when you're looking right at it is crazy. So in this book, it gives you all sorts of specifications on the spectrum report. They also give you a rundown on about how far away from your plants it should be. Of course, this is all going to depend on what you're growing and how much light it requires as well. I mean, some plants might only need it, 3 or 4 feet away, and some plants might need them, a foot or 2 away. But they go through a lot of that in here. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm sure they'd be more than happy to help on their Amazon page. Okay, at this point, we will plug the light in above some of my cacti and succulents, and I will be right back to you guys with results on how things are growing. Okay, this is where I have had the light going. So these are all newly transplanted, as we went to Mill Creek Gardens and bought all of these new plants here. A lot of these, as you noticed from my previous videos, I had propagated it out. They've been going in here. This is the one where you've seen the most noticeable difference right away. It was very tall and laggy, and now it's fattening up a lot. Same thing with all of these. They're just fattening up definitely really, really well. And I'm sure the light has something to do with that. All of my cuttings here, those are rooting, so they're doing good. And my Royal Flush, if you notice, is starting to bloom. Whether or not the light caused that, I don't know. Maybe it was just because it sensed the change from when I first put it in here. But also I'm sure it has something to do with the light being there, because that thing just popped right up. Sansevieria is doing really well. And these guys get a little bit of light from it over on the side too. Thank you all so much for taking your time to watch this video. Again, the link to this is down in the description below if you would like to help support this channel. Please like and share this video, as well as subscribe to this channel for many, many more great gardening projects. And feel free to browse through the many videos that I've taken so far. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.